products are not marketed in a sense that it actually is transparent and it involves the contents that are inside the menstrual products. And so I've been educating young girls and women on the fact that some of these multinational products are actually not of a high hygiene standard or a high health standard, in the sense that they use synthetic fiber to actually manufacture and produce the products, of which it's dangerous because the products can actually, in essence, cause cervical cancer, endometriosis, and other menstrual health related illnesses like PCOCs, as well as infertility.
Just the outer layer that would touch the body. And they all contained, all of them contained at least 2 endocrine disrupting chemicals. Mm-hmm. Now, they are in small quantities, but you need to realize that the average woman would menstruate about 450 times. And the continuous exposure to these chemicals is what worries us, because they are not only in menstrual products, they are also in mascara, they are in fragrances, they are in shampoo and conditioners. And we need to start talking about this, because these chemicals are really harmful.